The Energy Act of 2005 established guidelines to be implemented by the individual states with respect to UST operator training. These guidelines required that states who wanted to participate in the program develop a training requirements and regulations that would be in effect by August of 2012. And it's fundamental to this UST operator training to understand how the EPA classified the three different types of UST operators. And we'll start with the A operator. Now, the A operator is that individual who has overall compliance authority for the site. So in other words, in most cases, the owner, the person who's ultimately responsible for adhering to regulations. Whereas the Class B operator is typically the individual on site who sees that those regulations are met or adhered to. This is oftentimes a facility manager, an environmental site manager, someone along those lines who has a day-to-day authority and responsibility at the site itself. Now, the C operator, I like to think of that individual or individuals as the first responders. So in other words, if there were a spill, an overfill, some sort of incident at the site that required emergency response, these would be the people who would be initially responding to that. They're also the folks that are going to have that day-to-day operational duties with respect to the UST system. Now, with the A, B, and C operator, there are different certification and training requirements. Today, as you know, you're preparing for the ICC UST National Operator Exam, which in many states is recognized, provides you the certification to fulfill the role as the A or B operator. And we'll talk about that a little more here in a moment.